In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design newsletters using Beehiiv, a powerful tool that is ideal for creating stunning and engaging content. Whether you're a seasoned newsletter creator or trying it for the first time, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand every part of the design process. To get started, you'll first want to head to the Beehiiv dashboard. This is the central hub where you'll find all the tools you need to begin crafting your newsletter. On the dashboard, you'll see a plus icon. Click on it to start creating a new post. This will guide you to the section where you can choose different templates and set the groundwork for your newsletter's content and aesthetics. Once you've clicked the plus icon, the next step is to click on Template Post. This option allows you to select from a variety of pre-made templates that can be customized to fit your unique style and message. Beehiiv offers a diversified range of templates, ensuring that everyone can find something that suits their needs, from minimalistic to more detailed designs. After selecting Template Post, look for the Quick Start Templates option and click on it. Beehiiv has curated these templates to help you get up and running quickly. They're designed to be easy to modify while still offering a professional appearance. By choosing a template from this selection, you can save a lot of time, which would otherwise be spent on designing from scratch. Now it's time to choose the particular template that fits your newsletter's needs. Browse through the available options and pick one that aligns closely with your vision. Remember, selecting the right template can set the tone for your entire newsletter and significantly impact how your audience perceives your message. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to edit the title and description. You'll want to make this content captivating and informative, as it's often the first thing your readers will see. A compelling title can draw readers in, while a clear description sets expectations. Next, you have the option of adding more elements to your newsletter by clicking on the plus icon for additional features. This is where you can enrich your content by including elements like images, videos, or even social media links to create a more dynamic and engaging experience for your readers. If you want to organize your thoughts, clicking on the bulleted list option can help keep information clear and digestible. Lists are a great way to break down complex information into easier to read sections. Then personalize the style of your newsletter by selecting Style. Here you can adjust various design aspects to ensure your newsletter's aesthetics match your brand's identity, offering both basic and advanced styling adjustments for customization. Finally, explore both the basic and advanced styling options to fine-tune your newsletter's appearance. This ensures that whether you want a simple and straightforward look or something more intricate and expressive, Beehiiv gives you the flexibility to achieve it. By following these steps, you can effectively create a beautiful and impactful newsletter using Beehiiv. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to craft newsletters that both engage and inform your audience. Happy designing!